In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can shop or buy from Alibaba for personal use. Now, this is the first thing you need to do, guys, is to create an account on Alibaba if you haven't done that already. Now, most of you guys, I would guess that you have already created your account on Alibaba, just like me. Now, what you need to do, guys, to buy for personal use, let's say that you want to buy one product. You don't want to buy large quantities like most of people who go to Alibaba. They want to buy products for their companies, or they are doing drop shipping or other businesses. That's why they come to Alibaba, because of cheap prices. Now you can take advantage of this, and you can also purchase one product and it's going to be cheap. Okay, now I'm gonna be explaining to you guys how you can use Alibaba for personal use right now. Well, the first thing you need to do, guys, you need to log into your Alibaba account. Now let me show you guys how you can start using Alibaba for personal use. Now in this search, I always buy from Alibaba most of the time because of cheap prices. This is just an account to test, okay, to show you guys how you can start using this. Now in the top, you need to search for the product that you want to buy. So I want to buy, for example, car ABS system. So what you need to do, guys, now is let me just search for something else, because there aren't a lot of products when I search for this. For example, iPhone. Okay, you will find a bunch of products here. And what you need, guys, what you need to do to buy for personal use is you need to click on ready to ship. As you can see, it says here ready to ship. Click on it. Alright, now if you click on ready to ship, then you will see suppliers that have these items in stock. But if you don't check this, Alibaba will show you all different suppliers. There are some suppliers, they don't even have items in stock, so you always have to wait 20 days before they can make the items for you. Now if you check this, it will save you a lot of time, and also it will show you suppliers that will ship this one product. Okay, now scroll down. If you want to buy one product, you can find someone who accepts that, but this one, for example, is 5 pieces. The minimum order amount is 5 pieces. The first one is 10 pieces, but of course there are a lot of people who offer 1 piece. After you search for what you want to buy, after you click on ready to ship, then you need to search for suppliers who offer 1 piece, like the minimum order amount is 1. So that means you can buy one and you will ship it directly to your country, to your house, just like you do on Amazon. The same thing, guys, and Alibaba is very safe, so there is nothing to worry about. So after you select the item, choose the color that you want, click on this plus, as you can see, 1, and here you will see here the shipping price. So the shipping price is $42. If the shipping is expensive for you, you just want to find other suppliers, just like when you try to find someone who accepts one product. The minimum order is 1 product. You can also find suppliers who offer cheap shipping. Okay, and the total cost is $62, and you need to click on start order. You just need to add now your address. Okay, so this is my address. It's United States, Los Angeles, California. So you just need to add address, and you need to add country, address 1, line 1, and state and city and zip code, contact name. These things are easy. You can add your address here, and after you add your address, you need to enter here your credit card. So there is nothing to worry about. Alibaba is very safe, and yeah, they are not going to steal your credit card or anything. If you don't know that, Alibaba is the biggest e-commerce website in the world. Okay, and you can also use PayPal if you want. Okay, now after you enter here your credit card, you need to click on pay now. Okay, now after you click on pay now, you will have to wait like from 24 hours to 48 hours, and the product will be shipped. So after the product is shipped, you need to move your mouse to your account here in the top and click on orders, and here you will find the list of orders that you have ordered on Alibaba, and you can see the tracking number next to each order. You will see the tracking number. This tracking number, you can just copy it and go to this website. It's called 70 track. This is our website. It's called 70 track. It's very popular, and you need to enter the tracking number here. As you can see, I have purchased one product, and this is the state of the product. As you can see, you can follow it until it arrives in your country. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.